Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Gristis Kabagi. I will show you how to insert headers and footers in Microsoft Word. Headers and footers can help keep longer documents organized and make them easier to read. Text entered in the header or footer will appear on each page of the document. These are the steps to insert a header or footer. First, select the Insert tab. Next, click either the header or footer command. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select blank to insert a blank header or footer or choose one of the built-in options. The Design tab will appear on the ribbon and the header and footer will appear in the document. Type the desired information into the header or footer. After typing the desired information, when you're finished, click Close Header and Footer in the Design tab or hit the Escape key. After you close the header or footer, it will still be visible but it will be locked. To edit it again, just double-click anywhere on the header or footer and it will become unlocked. One of its example is to insert the date or time into the header or footer. First, select the Insert tab. Next, double-click the header or footer and the Design tab will appear. From the Design tab, click the Date and Time command. Next, please select a date format in the dialog box that appears. Place a check mark in the Update Automatically box if you would like it to always reflect the current date. Otherwise, it will not change when the document is opened at a later date. Click OK. The date and time now appears in the document. Another example is adding a page numbers to an existing header or footer. Select the header or footer and the Design tab will appear. Place the insertion point where you want the page number to be. You can place it anywhere except inside a content control field. From the Design tab, select the Page Number command. Click Current Position, then select the desired style. The page number will appear in the document. Another example is to insert page numbers into a new header or footer. First, select the Insert tab. Click Page Number. Then select the desired page number style and it will appear in your document. If you've already typed information into your header footer, it's important to place the page number and the page number style to avoid losing anything. If you select a page number from top of page or bottom page, it will delete anything you've already added to the header or footer. I hope that you've learned. Thanks for watching.